Today, we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Directional Movement Index indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Directional Movement Index indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 67 different strategies, with 17 of them being profitable. The best one was able to achieve a 80% win rate. That is the 5-minute crypto scalping strategy that I did a video on a little while back. I'll put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now with a link to it up in the corner. Also link to it at the end of this video. If you're looking for a profitable trading strategy that does really well, that we're constantly improving and making better, optimizing, then I highly recommend you check that one out. We've also tested a total of 879 indicators, with 370 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 65 of the winning indicators. 26 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best to a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today we are looking at an advanced testing of the Directional Movement Index indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. In the original testing, it did a 73% win rate with 15 trades, again in the 1 year time, and so we did keep this on the daily time frame. The stop and take profit, we kept on the default daily take profit and stop right there. The indicator itself was slightly changed visually, like we often do. On default, it looks like this right here. So what we did was went in and we changed the DMI backgrounds here, changed the opacity here to 60 and also 60. So that gives us this really nice, bright, vibrant background right here, like you see. And so in the original video, what we did was when we got a green background, we would go long. When we got a red background, we would go short. So for example, right here, you can see that we switched to that green background there from the red, and you can see that we get a decent little push to the upside there. Moving forward here a little bit, we'll look at a short. Right here, you can see that we get that red background right there. We get a little bit of a push to the downside, but I don't think that was enough to get us to our take profit. So unfortunately, that one right there would have gotten us stopped out as it pushed and then made this move to the upside right here. Another long signal. Again, you can see that green background there, and a really nice push to the upside on that one, getting us to our take profit. So that's how we tested it in the original video. That's how we tested it in the advanced testing here. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced test, and we will pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server right here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, this is Sasquatch here. He is an amazing Forex prop trader. He's posting charts on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. If I scrolled back here, you'd see that we get quite a few charts like this where he really dives in and marks out areas of interest, different kind of wedge patterns or different candle patterns in general. Really awesome information that he's putting out for everyone to see. You can really learn a lot from the charts that he's putting out, just kind of following along with his trades. Sometimes he'll also post kind of the trades that he's looking to take. We also have Mike from Upright Trading. He's one of our admins. He does a really great job of explaining indicators and helping out with indicators, and just general trading knowledge kind of all around. That's kind of what this was right here, responding to kind of a new member asking a question. But Mike from Upright Trading has a lot of really cool indicators that he's developed himself. Some are paid, some are free, but all of them are really super cool, and I believe they all are free to test out. And so he really goes above and beyond to kind of help us out and explain a lot of great stuff. It's just a really great environment. As well as all that, you will also get access to some indicators that I've developed myself. The latest video that I put out was the 5-minute crypto scalping strategy right here. If you are looking for a strategy to start with, I highly recommend that you jump onto this video, you watch it, check out the strategy. It's a great strategy in there. I outlined the indicators that I use, and I've actually created a guide around that particular strategy, as you can see right here. Again, go back and watch that video if you are interested. But this guide basically contains the links to the private coded indicators that I was talking about. Big shout out to Mike from Upright Trading for coding those indicators for us. It also has the optimized settings of the particular indicators. It has the list of the specific markets and pairs or coins, as well as the different time frames that the strategy works on, as well as just general optimization tips. And so as I am testing this strategy on different markets and different pairs, different time frames, and so on, I'll be constantly updating this guide and putting it out for everyone, pinned in the Patreon only channel for our patrons to have easy access to understanding what the strategy works on, how it specifically works, and the optimization of everything. So a bunch of great benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. So in the advanced testing, we did the 50 trades like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we've got 22 winning trades. We've got 28 losing trades. It's going to drop this one down to a 44%. So strong drop on this one. Sometimes we see a strong drop like this, sometimes we don't. 73 down to a 44. It's a pretty significant drop right there. This particular pair has a pretty kind of tight take profit and stop, so that might have been what caused it to drop so significantly. Not really sure. You can see though that there were just moments where it was just taking clusters of losing trades. Sometimes what we'll see is on pairs that have a really high ATR or move quite a bit, that indicators can't quite cope with that much movement, and every little twitch it's throwing a signal. So that might have been what did it as well. So nonetheless, this one is going to drop to the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.